Titleist Pro V1, simply the best ball in golf. If you are a low handicapper, you probably already play these or something similar to it. If you're a high handicapper, this may not be the ball for you just yet because it creates a lot of spin on these balls. Let's take a look. These balls are pretty much just the best of everything. They have a solid core inside of there that gives you the distance that you want. And they also have this soft cover on here that allows you to create a bunch of spin, especially around the greens. So if you're looking to like pop and stop it on the greens, this is the ball for you. If you're looking to hit a ball into the green and back it up towards the pin, this is the ball for you. But also if you're a high handicapper, somebody who slices the ball a lot, or if you hook the ball a lot, this is going to create extra spin on that side of it. So it may not be what you're ready for just quite yet. You know, if you're slicing the ball and creating tons of spin, it's just going to make it slice more. In my opinion, simply the best ball that you can buy as far as I'm concerned. I'm really looking forward to getting out and playing this spring with my new Titleist Pro V1s, the best ball there is.